Jin, wow! Krona's cooking. Alright guys, for today's episode we're gonna make Peng Kueh. This is actually a Chinese delicacy which is very traditional here in Singapore. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients you need for making Peng Kueh. The ingredients: 2 cans of peanuts, you know, with the peanut sauce removed, coriander finely chopped, salted turnips, dried shrimps, about 1 cup of this, I think it's about 60 to 70 grams, a few small onions, and some mushrooms diced into small cubes like this. 3 cups of glutinous rice here. The glutinous rice to be soaked for an hour. And now we're going to prepare the dough for making Peng Kueh. So for making the dough for Peng Kueh, we need 3 types of flour. Rice flour, aka 粘米粉. And then we need sweet potato flour, aka 番薯粉. And we need tapioca flour, also known as 刺粉. This rice flour we will need about 300 grams. This sweet potato flour 50 grams, and this about the same 65 grams. There's 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm crushing them. So here inside we have mixed 300 grams of rice flour, 65 grams of tapioca flour, and 50 grams of sweet potato flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we got the boiling water. This is ready. And then now you're gonna add this boiling water to the Peng Kueh bit by bit. Let's do about this. Quality is much better. We kind of ruined the first try, so this is the second dough. Too much water the first time around. If it sticks, you add a bit of oil or a bit of flour to adjust. After about 1 hour of soaking this glutinous rice, you drain them and set them aside for cooking. Just get the onions going. Medium heat. So the onions will start to shrink in size. Next, you add in the salted turnip, aka 菜脯. And now you gotta lower the heat. I mean, the fire wise, you just need to control and make sure it doesn't burn, yeah? Whoa. And then in goes the shrimps, dried shrimps. Shrimps. So the order goes onions, turnips, salted turnips, dried shrimps, followed by mushrooms, and then the rice, the glutinous rice, as full power soap, and some salt. White pepper. It's important to put a bit more white pepper because it gives the flavor. White pepper is not so. And then we got some soy sauce. And the smell is really good. You can smell the pepper going on. There's a bit of rice getting stuck to the pan. By adding a bit of water, mitigates that. A bit of fish sauce. So we got fish sauce. Just now we had salt, pepper, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and fish sauce. And then last, the peanuts. 拿一个汤匙来试看。 We put out the fire and now it's just using the heat from the wok to stir and make sure that all the flavors are properly mixed in. Ahora cocinamos el arroz con vapor, aka en inglés steaming, un paso importante que hacemos huelos en el arroz para más rápida y más more even cooking, you know. Se llama en inglés more even cooking. Yeah, so that was the finger poking explanation. The reason for that. Cover it and then you steam it. Fire is going. And you look at the time. We need about 30 minutes. So about 2 o'clock. So we're gonna washing the banana leaves. Wow.
我的6刀，6刀哦，是皮刀啊，6刀。
这个是 upsize 啊。
6刀哦。
Png Kueh upsize。
我放很多料。
This one Peng Kueh kids meal， 这个是 kiddie meal。
我放多料。
Okay, let's go. So, ready again, step by step again. Grab a bit of it. Not too much, not too small, about this size. And then you start pinching the sides. And then you make a bowl. You take this, you put into this.
我就放半个。
不要太多米，这个可以生吃，可以油煮可以吃。你全部冲进去，你全部都是变大型的呢。这大型怎么 XL 哎 ？upsize 一点不用紧啊 ，upsize 太多不好。嘿嘿。我这个也是很大，我这个也是大。
不要太大了，好，差不多就好。
差不多，太大不好吃。
他为第一次做的最好的。
刚刚好啊，又不大不小。There we go. Con vapor. Wow. And to steam. This is the fire.
拉后面就可以了。
About 7分钟，对吗？
差不多。
About 5 to 7 minutes.
明啊，你看它现在比较白哈，等一下你看它就变成这样的颜色了哦。
现在也已经变了吗？
你发香蕉叶好，就是它的油会下去旁边的香蕉叶啊，所以它不会粘住。这个要配一点酱油很好笑。
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Namaskar. Assalamualaikum. This is the end of video, Jinmao. Just want to thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you know what to do.
Stick that stick straight in your asshole and hit that like button right below, my friend.
That's right. Like and subscribe.